Are you looking for a way to enhance your luxury home in Pennsylvania with a realistic and cozy fireplace? Do you want to enjoy the benefits of a fireplace without the hassle of wood, gas, or maintenance? If so, you need the 28-inch Electric Fireplace Insert by MagikFlame, the most realistic and versatile electric fireplace insert for Pennsylvania homes. The 28-inch Electric Fireplace Insert by MagikFlame is a ventless electric fireplace that uses our patented HoloFlame technology to project real video of fire onto a log set, creating the illusion of burning logs. You can choose from 30 ultra-realistic flames, including sound, to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Whether you want a cozy campfire, a romantic fireplace, or a festive holiday fire, the 28-inch Electric Fireplace Insert by MagikFlame has it all. The 28-inch Electric Fireplace Insert by MagikFlame is also a powerful electric fireplace heater that can warm up a room of up to 1,000 square feet as a secondary heat source, making it ideal for cold winter days in Pennsylvania. The 28-inch insert is easy to install and operate. It requires no gas lines, venting, or permits to install. It is also safer for your family and pets than wood-burning fireplaces, as it produces no soot, smoke, or emissions. It is a no-maintenance electric fireplace that will last for years. The 28-inch Electric Fireplace Insert by MagikFlame is the perfect electric fireplace insert for your luxury home in Pennsylvania. It will add realism, warmth, and elegance to your living space. It will also create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere for you and your loved ones. Whether you live in Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Lancaster, Scranton, Allentown, Erie, or anywhere else in Pennsylvania, it will complement your home improvement, fireplace design, and interior design projects, giving you a stunning focal point for your cozy living room. At MagikFlame, we are passionate about creating the most realistic electric fireplaces ever made. We also believe in improving quality of life by providing people with the best possible cozy and relaxing environment every night. Using our patented technology, we've innovated the electric fireplace to bring you effortless cozy with friends and family. Because quality family time and relaxation after a hard workday or activity is life-changing. Get the 28-inch Electric Fireplace Insert by MagikFlame today and experience the magic of MagikFlame in your luxury home in Pennsylvania. Order now through MagikFlame.com.